Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning 25 most common verbs. Let's get started. To be,
A fi,
to have,
a avea,
to do,
a face,
to go,
a merge,
to come,
a veni,
to see,
a vedea,
to know,
a ști,
to think,
a gândi,
to say,
a spune,
to want,
a vrea,
to give,
a da,
to take,
a lua,
to use,
a folosi,
to find,
a găsi,
to tell,
a povesti,
to work,
a lucra,
to call,
a suna,
to feel,
a simți,
to try,
a încerca,
to ask,
a întreba,
to need,
a avea nevoie,
to become,
a deveni,
to leave,
a pleca,
to put,
a pune,
to mean,
a însemna,
to understand,
a înțelege,
to speak,
a vorbi,
to listen,
a asculta,
to play,
a juca,
to start,
a începe,
to show,
a arăta,
to live,
a trăi,
to like,
a plăcea,
to love,
a iubi,
to change,
a schimba,
to meet,
a întâlni,
to learn,
a învăța,
to believe,
a crede,
to run,
a alerga,
to help,
a ajuta,
to watch,
a privi,
to wait,
a aștepta,
to remember,
a aminti,
to stay,
a rămâne,
to buy,
a cumpăra,
to sell,
a vinde,
to pay,
a plăti,
to lose,
a pierde,
to win,
a câștiga,
to create.
a crea.
Quiz time.
A suna, a suna, a folosi, a folosi, a ști, a ști, a da, a da, A avea nevoie. A avea nevoie. A vorbi. A vorbi. A cumpăra. A cumpăra. A juca. A juca. A iubi. A iubi. A învăța. A învăța. A înțelege. A înțelege.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.